Well, I'm back. I know it's been a while. It's been like over a year at this point, but I'm sure you probably know a lot has happened. I'm sure you're wondering, why is there a 3000 GT behind me? And you're probably also wondering, where's the Jenny? So where have I been? What have I been doing in this time that I've been off YouTube? I actually recently sold the Genesis. I got rid of it. It got to a point where the fun I was getting out of the car didn't outweigh the amount of problems the car was giving me. The car was so overbuilt. It was wide-bodied, it was wrapped, it had plenty of fun power. I mean, in all seriousness, it was a great car. The way I want to build cars has kind of changed since I built the Genesis. I always thought I wanted something that was super overbuilt, pretty much that show car style build. But the more and more I got into building that car and the farther down the rabbit hole I got, the less fun the car was to drive. I was constantly worried about breaking the car, and then the car just became not fun to own. So my build philosophy has definitely changed when it comes to how I want to build cars in the future. So yeah, the Genesis is gone. But I have 2 new cars to replace it, and this 3000 GT is one of them. Unfortunately, this car is being a pain and it doesn't want to run right now. But the second car I got is actually behind the camera, and I cannot wait to show you guys that car. I'm not gonna show you just yet, but it'll be coming in the next video. But yeah, lots of things have changed. I've definitely grown as a car builder since the last time I posted a video. But the things I'm going to be able to do with this car and the other car are going to be way more fun than anything I could have ever done with the Genesis. But I will see you guys in the next video. I hope I didn't lose too many of you while I was gone. But yeah, I'm happy to be back, and I'll see you guys soon. Later.